Sometimes it's nice to get a smart light that you can program or have an outlet that you can turn on devices with your voice. But other times it's really satisfying to just pull something out of the box and stick it in the lawn and have it work right off the bat. Welcome to Kyler's studio. This is a quick review of the Vont LED outdoor solar lights. They sent me this 2-pack to try out, which comes in this little box. So these are solar powered, so they're made for the outdoors. You'll notice on the specs that they're IPX7 waterproof. And they're solar powered, so you don't have to plug them in. You literally put them together and stick them in the yard. And there's not that much to assemble. You'll notice they come with these sticks. You just have to line up the plastic, poke them in, and they are ready to stick in your yard. The rubbery button on the back is to turn it on and toggle between the two brightness levels, and the twist knob on the side is to lock in the angle. If you'd prefer to mount these on the wall instead of sticking them in the yard, they do include screws for you. But if you're just sticking them in the yard, there's literally no assembly required other than sticking on the stake. Overall, you can see the quality. I am impressed by the clickiness of this rubber button on the back, and they include some documentation for you. So how do they work? Well, during the day, they're not going to light up for you because they have that ambient light sensor. So if there's anything smart about this, it's that they only turn on during the night. And that's so the big old solar panel on top can regain its energy for the next 6 to 12 hours overnight. I think the biggest consideration is the placement of the solar panels so they can receive direct sunlight while also lighting the thing you want to illuminate, which is easiest when the solar panel is on the south and your light facing the north. By the way, how do you like my little rock garden? We've already had one hard freeze, but overall, I like how it turned out. If you're interested in how I changed this from grass to this, let me know in the comments. I'll do a video. I really do like how the leaves just kind of collect in between the rocks. It just looks cool. All right, how about a waterproof test? So far, so good. So you're probably wondering, how good does the light look? Well, it's a good little white accent light. I tried both the high and the low settings, and they're pretty similar. For a reference, here's me lighting up a bush with eyeballs for Halloween. You can see as I switch it from high to low, it doesn't make that much of a difference. They're still both pretty bright. Overall, I think the biggest thing that will make a difference on whether these lights will work for you is whether you can place them in a good amount of sunlight during the day. Most of all, my favorite part was the fact that they're super easy to set up. There's no wiring. There's no worrying about apps or anything. You literally take it out of the box, you stick it on a peg, you plug it in the yard, you face it at something you want lit up during the night. And just make sure the big old solar panel on top is facing towards the sun during the day. Right now, I think Vont is selling a 2-pack and a 4-pack, so check them out on Amazon. Kyler's Studio.